Okay, now that you've got some skills on how to calculate slope, how to write slope-intercept equations, what those numbers in those equations mean, now it's time to look at word problems. This is the next step. This is what you're expected to be able to do some when you get to high school. It's expected to be able to know how to do this when you do the MCA. It'll help you when you do your NWEA tests. It will also let you do it outside of school when you're reading graphs. If you're someone who follows stocks in the stock market, these people that work with the stock market do these types of things all the time. So here we go. I'm going to show you how to read these things and what to look for as you read word problems. A slope word problem. Slope word problems in the wording will try to give you coordinates. So I'm going to use a highlighter to highlight sentences here. So the first sentence is, by the end of its first week, a movie had grossed 2.3 million. That right there is a sentence that gives you a coordinate. The coordinate that it's trying to give you is here with first week and gross 2.3 million. If you look at the graph, week is on the x-axis, revenue is on the y-axis. Week comes first. Which week are we talking about? We are talking about the first week. The amount that we're looking for is 2.3 million. So then I would write the coordinate 1 for first week, comma, 2.3. Now we look at another sentence to find the next coordinate, because to find slope you have to have two coordinates. The next sentence actually has it. By the end of the sixth week, it had grossed 6.8 million. By the end of the sixth week, it had grossed 6.8 million. So the sixth week, that's the first part of our coordinate. So that's going to be a 6, and then the 6.8 million is the revenue, comma, 6.8. Now from the words, I have two coordinates. Now that I have two coordinates, I can, as this problem tells me to do, I can graph the data with week on horizontal and the revenue on the vertical. Then we draw a line through the 2 points. So here's what this sentence is telling you to do. And this is what you will do when you graph it. You would now graph the points 1, comma 2.3. So I have 1 first week, 2.3. And notice it's not going to be exact here. It's going to be in the middle. So I'm going to put a dot at about where 2.3 is. 6, 6.8, 6, 6.8. Put another dot. And draw a line through the points. So I'm going to draw a line through the 2 points. I'm going to put my cursor on the line, and I'm going to take a straight edge, and I'm going to draw it straight, and I'll get it through the 2 points. So now I have my line. My next direction, then find and interpret the slope of the line. Find the slope. Build your t-table and find your slope. That will tell you what it is. And I will tell you right now in this problem, it comes out to be a fraction. After you have that fraction built, bring it to me and I will help you do the interpret part of slope of the line. Again, build your t-table, find your slope. It will be a fraction. Bring that fraction to me and I will help you interpret the slope of the line. Once you finish problem 1 on that sheet, then you should be able to do problems 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Do not go to the back side of the sheet when you do this until you have seen the next video. Only do the side that says slope word problems. So find that slope word problem sheet. If you're not sure, let me know. I'll help you find it and we'll get you started. Thank you.